In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video play automatically and stop on slide exit in PowerPoint. By the end, your video will start the moment the slide appears and stop cleanly as soon as you move to the next slide, which is perfect for timed narrations, background clips, and keeping your presentation polished. First, add the video to your slide. Go to the Insert tab, choose Video, and then pick either this device to insert a file from your computer or online video if you're using a clip hosted on the web. After you select your video, it will appear on the slide. Click and drag from a corner handle to resize it while keeping the aspect ratio intact so it doesn't look stretched. You can center it with the alignment guides that appear or place it where it best supports your content. If you're using an online video, remember you'll need an internet connection during the presentation. With local files, modern PowerPoint versions typically embed them, but it's still a good idea to keep your media in the same folder as the presentation for easy management. Next, set the video to play automatically. Click the video to reveal the Playback tab on the ribbon. In the Start dropdown, choose Automatically. This tells PowerPoint to begin playing the moment the slide comes on screen, without you clicking. If you don't see the Playback tab, make sure the video is selected. You can press Shift while clicking other objects if needed, but the video itself must be active for the playback options to appear. Now, ensure the video stops as soon as you leave the slide. With the video still selected, stay on the Playback tab and find the Stop Playing setting. Choose when slide changes. This prevents the video from continuing to play in the background as you advance, which can otherwise cause overlapping audio or distractions. It's especially important if you use transitions or move quickly through slides during a live talk. Before you wrap up, give it a quick test. Start the slideshow from the current slide, confirm the video begins instantly, then press the right arrow to go to the next slide and make sure the video stops right away. If anything doesn't behave as expected, double-check that Start is set to Automatically and that Stop Playing is set to When Slide Changes. Finally, save your presentation. These settings are applied per video, so repeat the steps for any other clips you add. And that's it. Simple, reliable, and presentation ready. And